So we met Tim and Sandy when they were selling their house, and 2 years later we found them to buy a house from, and then we just sold our house with them.
Yeah, it's been a great experience on both ends, both the buying end and the selling end. They've done a fabulous job for us. It's really been smooth and easy, and greatly appreciated. Thank you to Tim and Sandy.
Yeah, and we've gone to several plays at the Evergreen Players
That's
together.
right, we have. Back when we bought the house 5 years ago, we were struggling a little bit to find anything that really worked for us. And Tim and Sandy went to the market and found a person who was just kind of thinking about selling, and everything clicked. And a week later or something like that, we were under contract.
Yeah, I think they went above and beyond to find that house.
And it went pretty well. There wasn't anything really unexpected that happened. We were informed about what the steps were, what was going to go on, and what things to include and what things to exclude, and where to sign and where not to sign.
Yep.
So it really went well.